Welcome to TT, the Go Anywhere platform built for professional traders. In this video, we'll show you how to build a workspace, place an order, and view your activity in the TT platform. After logging in, we'll launch a blank workspace by clicking the Create Another Workspace button. We'll give the workspace a name and click Save. We then launch it by clicking on the button containing the name of our new workspace. This launches a new browser with a blank workspace comprised of a single window currently named Main. Let's populate this window with some of the most commonly used widgets. We'll also demonstrate how TT's search functionality can be used to add instruments. You can find a product by typing its symbol into the search box, either at the top of the window or within a widget. Let's launch a market grid for the natural gas futures product on CME by typing our symbol, NG, into the search bar and clicking the market grid icon in the search results. This launches a market grid with market data for all NG futures contracts. Let's click on the plus sign to add a tab to our market grid. We'll select From a Product and use the Market Explorer to find Henry Hub Natural Gas on ICE. We select ICE as our exchange, Futures for type, and then click the Product column and begin typing HNG. We see our desired product name on the HNGS symbol and can click Select. Next, let's right-click on the February 20 natural gas contract on CME and select Open to launch a chart widget for that instrument. We'll set our interval to 15 minutes and add the Moving Average Convergence-Divergence technical indicator. Let's launch TT's Static Price Ladder MD Trader, which provides single-click order entry. We'll open the widget menu to click MD Trader. We type in our symbol NG and click on the February 20 natural gas futures contract. Now, let's open a Time and Sales widget from the widget menu and then group it with our MD Trader to display time and sales information for the February 20 natural gas contract selected in our MD Trader. Now, we'll quickly open an Order Book widget to view working orders. We'll add an audit trail to view all trade activity, a Fills widget to view all fills, and a Position widget to view positions and P&L. With our main window populated, let's rename it Natural Gas, and then create a second window called Crude Oil. Each window of a workspace can be populated with its own collection of widgets and then navigated between using the Windows Selection drop-down menu. Once all of the widgets are positioned in our natural gas window, let's change our active window by selecting Crude Oil from the Window Selection menu, and then we'll populate it with some widgets. Let's add a spread matrix for crude oil on CME. We'll type CL into our search field and select the crude oil futures product on CME. We can now see market data for multiple expiries of the crude oil product. We also see the calendar spreads displayed in the body of the matrix where instruments intersect. We'll also add a chart for the March 20 contract. Let's add a spread matrix for Brent crude on ICE. We'll open the Market Explorer, and when we click the Product column, we'll type the symbol BRN. We'll also launch a chart for the front month of the Brent crude product. With both of our windows now populated with widgets, we can change our active window by holding Control and tapping the space bar to highlight the desired window. We can also hold down Control and press the number listed in front of the desired window name in the Window Selector drop-down menu. Finally, we save our workspace by clicking the icon in the top right of the window. This workspace will now be available to us through the browser of any internet-connected computer. Now that we have built our workspace, let's place an order. In the Market Grid, click on the Bid Quantity, Bid, Ask, or Ask Quantity columns to open an order ticket for our contract. We'll adjust the price and place a buy order off the market. You will see the order in the order book as well as our MD Trader widget, and you will see your order activity detailed in the audit trail. Let's change the price of the working order to cross the market. Highlight the order in the order book, modify the price of the order to the ask price, and click on the Change button. Since the order is now filled, It will disappear from the order book. You will see the transaction details in the audit trail and the fill information in the Fills widget. You will also see your position and P&L in the Positions widget. If you ever need additional information or would simply like to learn more about a particular widget, you can click the question mark icon in the title bar, which will launch a Help widget containing articles from our Help library. We've covered some of the basic concepts of building a workspace using some of the most commonly used widgets. In addition, TT provides functionality for spread traders, options traders, algo traders, and more. For more information, see our other training videos and resources on our website at tradingtechnologies.com.